How to reset password on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually reset your password on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your password on Instagram, if you happen to forget it, first of all open up Instagram. By default it will ask you to choose one of your existing profiles that you've saved in order to log in, but I'll just select login to another account here. Then right over here you'll find the option called forgotten password on the login page. You want to just tap on the forgotten password button. Over here it'll ask you to simply enter the username or either the email address that was of your account, right? So let me just go ahead and then enter my username in this case. Once I enter my Instagram account username, it's going to find that account. So I'll just tap on the find account button here, and then once I tap on the find account button here, it says get link via email or code, which means add my email, or I can simply send an SMS to myself. So I have two ways because I have linked both my email as well as my SMS. I can just go ahead and do that. So in this case, because code is very easy for me, I'll just select get code link via SMS, then I'll just tap and continue. Then once I tap and continue, it is going to send a verification code to my mobile number. So actually I'm going to wait until I receive any sort of verification code from Instagram or even sometimes Facebook. In case you don't receive the code, then you can just tap on the send code again button over here in order for them to send the code to you. If the SMS doesn't get sent, then you can also try using an email. So over here you can see the mobile number has been successfully automatically detected the code, and then I'll just tap on allow. Now all it will do is simply ask me to create a new password, as you can see. So basically now I can create my new password without having to remember my old password. And this is it for today's video on how you can actually reset your Instagram account's password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.